Hello, my name is Riley Pettit, and I would like to introduce you to the American Association of University Women, otherwise known as the AAUW. The AAUW is an organization that advocates for equity and justice in the workplace as well as in education. One of the issues that the AAUW addresses is gender inequality in business. Women in business have been underrepresented and underpaid. As you can see from this graph, women of all ages are only being paid a fraction of what men are being paid. The AAUW have done a lot to combat these repeated injustices, through fundraisers, protests, social media, and more. At the website aauw.org, you can find all of the information surrounding this problem. Before looking at the information found on aauw.org, you may ask yourself, what does this problem have to do with me? Well, did you know that your mother suffers more than she needs to? Do you think that your poor mother would have an easier time paying her bills if she was paid fairly? Do you think that your hardworking mother deserves to be welcomed and treated equally at work? The American Association of University Women can help your mother. The AAUW can bring equality and fairness into the workplace, thus giving all mothers the income that they deserve. Please visit aauw.org and offer your support to easing the suffering of all mothers. Thank you.